how can people reduce their assessments?
Okay.
I think people would like to know
I think they
about
would
that.
like to know
Yes.
that.
There's
take
several.
some notes.
Yeah, there's several ways in regard if you have residential property.
Yeah.
The number one being the homestead exemption. That's at $75,000 off your fair market value.
Sure.
For most people, that saves them about $1,000 in taxes, and that's real money.
That's significant.
That's significant. Another is for veterans who are permanently disabled, service-related.
Okay.
That they get $150,000.
Oh,
wow.
And we voted on that.
And we voted.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we
that's
did.
something. But really, all the taxes, all the bread and stuff, it's all been voted on the people.
Right.
Then you have the freezes. Those freeze the value of your property.